So if you or someone close to you has keratoconus, today we are talking about keratoconus most effective treatment, a condition where the cornea gradually weak and bulge into a cone shape. Corneal collagen cross-linking could be an effective and safe treatment option for you. In the past, doctors had to rely on major surgeries like corneal transplants. However, now with the new procedures, it is possible to halt the progression of the disease non-surgically. The treatment involves applying riboflavin, which is vitamin B2 drops, to the cornea, followed by the exposing the cornea to the ultraviolet, which is UV light. Together, these create new collagen bonds with the cornea, strengthening it. As the cornea strengthens, the progression of the keratoconus halts. Today, several innovations have been introduced in this treatment, such as a special silicone devices that fully summarize the cone shape area to the cornea in the riboflavin. This enhances riboflavin absorption and shorten the procedure time. Riboflavin saturation is completed in just 10 minutes. In the future, this device will also pump oxygen during UV exposure, making the cross-linking process even more effective. The procedure is quite simple. First, the eye is numbed, then the riboflavin is applied, and finally UV light is delivered. The entire process takes about 1 hour. During the recovery, patients are given pain medications, antibiotics, steroid eye drops, and the artificial tears. The first 2 days may involve more pain, but it becomes manageable. After that, in rare cases, corneal haze may develop, but it is typically mild. The best part is that most insurance companies today cover in this procedure, as it is a medically necessary treatment that helps avoid major surgeries like corneal transplant. So if you are affected by keratoconus or someone you care about has this condition, corneal collagen cross-linking can be a revolutionary treatment that helps preserve vision. And yes, if the condition is diagnosed early, the results are even better. For more information, you can comment below or call our helpline number to book a free checkup.